Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to override a tuple, or we cannot modify a tuple. We can assign a new value to a variable that represent a tuple. So, for example, if we have a dimension a tuple, and we can redefine it with the new values. So let's see how to do that. So there will be our original tuple, and we're just gonna use a for loop to print its dimensions. For the in dim, we're just gonna print d, and now we need a new dimension, so we are going to use the same variable dim, and but with the new values, which is 500 by 100, and then this will be here. We're just gonna print a message also, print original, and here we're going to print modified. For the in dim, and print each of those dimensions, and this will be modified one. So let's run our code. So that's the original one, and here is the modified. There are no error raised by Python because reassigning a variable is valid. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.